record for it. So today's topic we're going to discuss about the packaging specification. See, every time whenever I am doing the inbound delivery in the VL31N, I am packing the materials. Okay, उधर packaging में जाके मैं pack कर रहा हूँ. Okay, then we are moving further. Okay, so but sometimes no, company needs automatic packaging. They don't want to pack the material all the time in the VL31N, and they want to send the materials. Okay, so how automatically we can able to do this? Okay, that is possible, and that is through the packaging specification. Okay, what is this packaging specification? It is some, okay, just read it from the right side. It is specification. Okay, we have some specification to pack the materials. Whatever the materials you take, like if you are considering the laptop, okay, the laptops will be manufacturing in the huge numbers, right? So where they have to put the chargers, okay, where they have to put the means how they have to pack that laptop, okay, all those things they're going to carry take care of that. Okay, and one more thing, that is one about the laptop. If you're considering the mobile, okay, mobile will be having some different types of packaging specification. Okay, so how they will going to do this, okay, without uh, means without going through the VL31N, how they will going to do this activity, we will going to see it. And this complete packaging specification is completely related to the EWM, and we can say it is a EWM specific master data. Okay, EWM specific master data and not related to ERP at all. Okay, so I'll just show you one thing. Okay, in the YouTube, or else here I'll going to give you the heads up for the packaging specification. If I say mobile packaging, okay, here I'll go for the sorry, images. Nothing is lagging. Okay, when I go for the images, you can see, yeah, see, mobile is inside this box. Okay, the different mobiles will be having the different packaging. Okay, see, this mobile is having the cable separately and charger separately. Mobile will be sit over here. Okay, and this is one more packaging. Okay, and this is one more packaging. See how the packaging will be done for the mobiles. Okay, here the packaging is something else. Okay, so like that they'll going to have the packaging, and above this, okay, above all of this, they'll be having the wrap. Okay, some plastic wrap will be there above this, correct? No, so like this they'll going to pack the mobiles. However you want, you can able to define them. Okay, it is not specific to what is that particular packaging only you have to maintain, nothing like that. You can design however you want. Okay, or else if you are considering some laptop packaging, I'll show you some. Okay, see here, just a small video, small, no, it is 4 minutes video. Yeah, all are 4 minutes video anyway. We'll just see it. Okay. Yeah, this is some automatic packing. Okay, anyway, but that packing has to be done, right? So you can see it over here only. Okay, just observe the things what is going on. Auxiliary material is already completed. Okay, now that has to be put into some carton box. It is not becoming big. Yes.
आपके बिजनेस का भी डुप्लीकेट हो गया तो GoDaddy पे आओ और .com के साथ .in
Here the carton box is preparing. See here. And they are putting the labels over here. Okay. Within that already mobile they have, sorry, laptop they have kept it. This is one packaging, okay. So this is one packaging. What is happening? If you are seeing the manual packaging also, the same thing, okay. The one person will be there who will going to put the laptop into some, what is that, bubble wrap. After that, he's going to keep it in the carton box, okay. See how they are packing. See, he is using some work step here. Okay, he is using some work step. Means what? Like how he will going to pack this. Okay, so if this is the bubble wrap or else the sink wrap. Okay, he will be using the same work steps. Okay, he'll be using the same work steps. Okay, and later on he is putting this into the. Okay, this is like three laptops he is putting. Okay, anyway, but a single laptops that can be also be kept. Okay, so this is how they're going to put the laptops. Okay. So this is some packaging specification what we are defining. Okay. How we are having the specification to pack the material. Okay. It is nothing but specification to pack some materials. And we will going to define it in the what is that EWM side. And whatever the materials are generating, they have to pack automatically and they have to come to the company. Okay, like that we'll going, or else they have to move to the customers. Okay, like that we will going to define it over here. So what is this specification to pack the materials? Okay, I'll just show you one diagram. Okay, just see the screen over here. Okay, so in the packaging specification, we'll be having a header. Okay, header means what? It will going to take care of the activity of all whatever the packaging specification is there. We have to define it in the header only. We're going to define it at the last. But first, what we will going to do? It might be okay. Packaging specification might be having the product within this. Okay, or else some already the product is already packed into some what is that packaging unit. Okay, then we will going to pack that material also. Okay, that might be the one thing. Okay, like we're going to consider the product first here. Okay, so this product how we'll going to pack? See, level 1. Okay, level 1, level 2, how many levels you want know, you can able to create the levels. Okay, first thing what they're doing, they're going to keep all these bottles and they're going to put the shrink wrap over here. Okay, some plastic wrap will be there no above them. Okay, they're going to put the wrap. And here this is the auxiliary packaging. Initially level 1 they are taking the auxiliary packaging. That here they in the auxiliary packaging they have the element. Okay, element is nothing but the packaging material plus work step. Okay, here we're going to have the packaging material. Okay, this packaging material is whatever the bubble wrap you are having, that is the packaging material. And what is this work step? See how he is doing the work step. See here they have shown. He is just this is the packaging material, shrink wrap something, and he is using the work step with the hands. He has to rotate above this, and it will going to complete the what is that packaging like that. Okay, whether he is using the shrink wrap or the bubble wrap, he can use the same work step or not. If the bubble wrap is there or the shrink wrap is there, he can use the same work step, right? Work step, this one. Okay, how he is holding the hand and he's just rolling it out above this, and it will going to finish. Whether he wants to change the work step or the work step will be same here. Work step will be same, right? So whatever the work step will going to generate, okay, it might be what is that applicable for one or more packaging materials. Okay, but the same work step is it applicable over here? Exactly. Okay. Why it is no? Because we are not rolling the carton box. We have to fold the sides. Okay. We have to fold the sides. Then only we can able to close the carton box. But it is not the same case with the bubble wrap or the shrink wrap. Okay. So here the work step will be different. Here the work step will be different. But the same work step I may be useful for some different applications. Okay. For different packaging materials. That is possible. But here, as I said, the shrink wrap also can take this work step, as well as the bubble wrap can also take this work step. Or else, if some carton wrap might be there, okay, that also can be take this work step. But carton box is the separate work step. And here, okay, you are just taking whatever the carton box you have prepared here, you are just taking it and keeping over the pallet. Whether this work step is similar to these two? No, right? Because he is just taking it and keeping it on the pallet, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is how
Yes,
we will
it
going to
will.
get the different kinds of work steps. Okay. But few work steps, they are reusable. Okay. You can use it for n number of times. Okay. And same packaging material, same work step, you can use it many times. Okay. Repeatedly, you can use them. Okay. And sometimes if the packaging material is changed, but it is of a similar kind, then also we can use this work step. Okay. So this element, we will going to assign it to the levels. But what we can do is the element cannot be assigned directly to the levels, so that we're going to use the element group in between. Okay. So this is must. Okay. Element group we have to use in between, because this element cannot be assigned directly to the levels. Okay. So that is why we're going to use the element group. Okay. So what is this element is all about? I said this is nothing but the packaging material. Okay. This is the packaging material with the work step. Okay. I'll just write it here. Okay. Here we are getting the like header will be there. Okay. Under that we're going to get the contents. Okay. I'll show you. Okay. What is the packaging things and all. I'll show you. Okay. So here we're going to get the levels. Under the levels, elements will be there. Okay. If you are seeing the element, it is nothing but the packaging material will be there. Along with that, we'll be having the work step. Okay. We'll be having the work step along with the packaging material. So why this packaging specification should mention? Because for the automatic packaging, whenever okay companies requires the automatic packaging, we will going to use this packaging specification. Okay. And here, as I said, whatever the element we are using, we cannot directly assign them to the levels. Okay. So that what we're going to use, we're going to use the element group to assign the packaging package element to the levels. Okay. And here packaging specification, as I said, it is the master data, and we will going to maintain the number ranges for this. Okay. We will going to use maintain the certain number ranges for this. And here element group, whatever the element group will be using, okay, they are reusable. Okay. So that element group also will be having the number ranges. Okay. For product, and whatever the different element groups will be using, no, the different element groups may use the same number range, but the numbers will be different over there. Okay. And whatever the work step I have defined, okay, the work step also can be reusable. Okay. And this also will be maintained with certain number ranges. Okay. So what we will do, we'll just go through the system. Okay. I'll show you where we will going to maintain this packaging specification. As I said, it is automatic packaging, right? So we'll just see where we're going to maintain it. Okay, so easy access. Go to the logistics, SCM EWM, master data, sorry, extended warehouse management. Under that, master data. Here we're going to get the packaging specification. Where is that? Okay, packaging specification. If you go inside here, the first one is to maintain the packaging specification. Okay, the first one is to maintain the packaging specification. Second one is to maintain the work steps. You can create the work step separately and you can able to assign it to the packaging specification. No, I don't want to maintain it separately. The internal number ranges should be generated means I can able to do that also. Okay, both are possible. And initial data upload for the packaging specification is /ECWM/IPU. Okay, for ISU is for material upload and IPU is for packaging specification upload. Okay, IPU. Okay, this is the T code what we're going to use. But initially, I'm going to use this packaging specification to create the what is that pack spec. Okay, I'll just go here. If I'm saying okay, new here, create new. Initially, it is asking for the packaging specification group. Okay, packaging specification group. I don't have any right now. Okay, if I want to create also, I don't have any. So I cannot able to create anything over here. Okay, just go back. Okay, just be here. I am going to open the new because initially I want to create my packaging specification. Then only packaging specification group. Then only I can able to create the what is that header, contents, whatever it is available. No, we can able to define everything under this packaging specification group. Okay, so for that it is the consultant level activity. So go to the SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, extended warehouse management. Under that, go to the master data and go to the packaging specification here. Okay. So here you have some different things. See, define number ranges for the packaging specification is there, and define general packaging specification parameters is there. Next thing is that define packaging specification group is there. Okay, what I said, I want to define the packaging specification group. Okay, initially also we have created few. I'll just show you that I might have created WH series. No packaging specification. Okay, boat is the one I think I have created. Okay, so if you go inside the boat, okay, here we are doing. Okay, what we are doing is we are just giving the packaging specification group name. Okay, or the number, whatever you want, you can give it over here and just give the description. This number range for the packaging specification we have to mention. This level set and all I'll going to tell it in the later. Okay, means will come for this, but what is this level set and all I'll going to tell it to you. But before that, what we're going to do is we will going to define the packaging specification. Why we have used the number ranges as a one. Okay, define number ranges is there. We'll be having some 3 to 4 different number ranges. Go to the intervals here. Okay, here these number ranges are not a warehouse specific. Okay, they are the client specific, means you can use any number range over here. Okay, you can use any number range over here. So it is not mandatory to use only this number range, nothing like that. Okay, use any number range, but it should be you shouldn't use the same number range. Okay, whatever the number range you have used for the packaging specification, the same you shouldn't be used for the level set and all. Okay, so that is the one criteria. Okay, we'll see. We're going to define a different, means we have seen 1, 2, 3 is there. No, we'll just use them and we're going to create our packaging specification. Okay, just go to the define packaging specification. We'll just check whether anything is there on our name 1100. Okay, nothing is there. Just go new entries. Okay, here I'll going to give packaging specification group as 1100 only. Okay, anything you can give. This is 1100 packaging specification group. I'll give. Okay, I'll give this description and number range. As I said, okay, I'll going to give the 01 here. Okay, and I'm not going to mention any level set here because level set I'm going to create it later on. Okay, see here, different number ranges are there, right? You can give any number range, as I said. Okay, 1, 2, 3, three different number ranges are there. You can give any number ranges. Okay, so I have used a 0, 1 over here. Okay, that is not an issue. And level set, you can use 0, 2 also. Nobody will going to ask you. 0, 3 also nobody will going to ask you. But it shouldn't be same as of a level set or the element, whatever it is going to create. No, for them the number range should be different. If I am using 3 here, there 1 and 2 should be used. If I am using 1 here, there 2 and 3 should be used, like that. Okay, so number ranges you shouldn't mix. That is the only criteria what we will going to maintain. Okay, and just keep them as it is. And here this is nothing but a actuation with condition technique. Okay, this is with the actuation with condition technique. Okay, we require this. If you are opening this actuation with condition technique, we will going to create one condition. Okay, so whatever the condition required, we'll going to maintain. Based upon that, it will going to become activated. Okay, we're going to see where we're going to create the condition required and all. Okay, so just save this. I have given one number range, that's it. Okay, and I have created the packaging specification group over here. Okay, so just go back.
What is the distribution?
Yeah, okay, yeah, 1 minute. So distribution, it is at the local level, and the source system and the target system is there. As I said, this is the EWM specific, right? So I am just creating it at the local system only. Okay, sometimes you will be having the TM integration and all. That time, if you want to create it at the TM level, so we're going to provide it the target system or else the source system, like that. Source system means, again, it is the means whenever you are using the integration, that time it will be helpful. But as of now, this is local, means within this system only it is operating, like that. I'm giving it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll just go back. So I will again go to the packaging specification, because anyway we have created the group, right? So I will just try it out whether it will going to come or not. Okay. Say new entries. Here I'm going to give packaging, means I have to select. Okay, I cannot type it here. Okay, 1100, if it is there or not, we have to select it. Okay, 1100 is at the last. Okay, I'll just click enter. See, one number it is generated automatically. Some 3 series number, because I have given the number range 03. Correct? No? Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll just show you here. You can give, that is what I said, you can give whatever the number range you want. Okay, so here 03 I have given, so that is why it is taken some 3 series number range. Okay, so it is available here. So what you have to do, just click on this, go to the details, or else what is that, go to edit, also same thing, go to details, also same thing. Okay, both are same thing only. Here they are having the content. Okay, if you are just clicking on the content, and here one box is there, see here. Okay, here one arrow mark is there, right side. Just click on the arrow mark, and you can, in the content, you can add the product. Okay, what is our products? Okay, if you are going downside, here product, it is asking product, I can able to put it over here. Product is there, no, 1100 mat 1. Okay, I'll going to put and click enter. Okay, it is taking one quantity automatically. If you want to see in the diagram, the same content they have kept. How many bottles? 12 bottles they have kept. You can define your own like bottles, or else if only one you are putting, it will come automatically like this. Okay, if you are putting one, means it will going to come automatically like this. No, if you want to change the number, you can change. Okay, any number you can change. And again, in the header, this is the header actually. Okay, under this, if I want to put the level, add level, I'll say, see, some level is adding here, but I don't have any levels to give over here. Okay, so that level type and all I have to define. Okay, I'm just showing it to you. Okay, so minimum how many materials I can able to put, and target quantity how much we can able to put. All these things we can able to maintain over here. And whether this should create the HU or not, that also I can able to say. See, when I will going to put these materials at the bubble, means when I am going to wrap this material with the bubble wrap or the shrink wrap, whether I am creating the HU or not, whether any HU is generating here. No, okay, no handling unit is generating here at this moment. Okay, when I will going to put this material in the carton box, then only one handling unit is generating. Correct, no? So this is some auxiliary material what we are putting it over the bottles. So here, whatever the what is that handling unit, if you don't want to generate here, you can maintain that. If you want to generate that also, we'll going to maintain it. Okay, as of now, what I'm doing, I am creating the levels by myself. Okay, under the levels, I want to put some elements. Okay, that also be possible. Okay, so here, if you don't want to do this, okay, no, I don't want to put the levels and elements something like this. What I want to do is I will going to create all of this like they have to create by themselves, like that also you can able to do. Okay, how we'll going to prepare this? Okay, levels and all it is coming, no, I don't want to prepare something like this. See here, once you're going to enter the levels and all, here it is going to ask about the element group and all. Okay, here you can say element group create, and you can create the element under this level, and you can able to finish. Okay, but these things, it has to happen automatically, right? How we'll going to make it? Okay, the manual thing is a little hectic here. I want to get this levels. How many levels you want, you can get it. Okay, whatever the levels you want, you can get it. Second level, third level, fourth level, like that. And whenever you don't want this level, just you can able to delete this also. If you are maintaining, okay, one specific setting is there. If I don't want to delete this level, okay, somebody is trying to delete, means I don't want to delete, that also can be possible. Okay, where we're going to do it, I'll just show you, but right now I can able to delete them. Okay, I'll just go back. I don't want to save anything. Okay, do you want to save? No. Okay, nothing is going to generate. Okay, this packaging number will going to delete automatically. Okay, it will not be available for us if I am creating in the next time. Okay, just go over here. Okay, number ranges and whatever the packaging specification group we have created, it is done. Now I want to create what is that levels. Okay, automatically, as I said, no. Okay, automatically I want to create the levels, means what I have to do, I have to go to the maintain structure is there, no, here maintain structure for packaging specification. Just go inside. Here there are so many different things are available for you. Okay, define level type is there. Okay, next is the define element type is there, and define level set is there. These three things are important as of now for us. Okay, I'll go to the define level type. Okay, here I want to define some levels for us. Okay, what I will do, I will say first I'll just check whether this level is there or not. Double one L1 I want to take. Okay, this is double one L1 I want to create. Okay, it is not there. Let's create that. New entries. Okay, level type is double one L1 for me. Okay, description I'm going to give it as double one double zero some level one. Okay, packaging specification it is. Okay, some level one I'm taking it. Okay, and level quantity I'll say available for input. Okay, so here set one, set to one, like that it is also there, but whatever the available for input is there, I'm going to take it in the level one. I am saying it here. Okay, and performing this one I'm going to say not relevant only, because here some suppliers are there, some contract packagers are there, warehouses are there. As I said, it is a local. I'll just take all these things not relevant, and I'll going to pack it my own. Okay, and if you want to maintain any class quantity classification and all, you can able to maintain it here. See one what we can say, one HS is there, or else no, I don't want to take the HS. I want to pack the carton box. Okay, you can able to do it. Okay, through this or palette you can able to use this. Okay, quantity classification you can use over here, or else like banana is there, one banana instead of 1 dozen banana. Okay, I want to pack all those 1 dozen banana, or else 1 dozen apple. Okay, that can be done here. Okay, as of now I don't want to take anything here. HU type is there. Okay, if you want to give the HU type, you can give it. Okay, or else here deletion not allowed and HU creation, all these things are some things they have provided here. Okay, HU creation. So whenever this is the level 1, no, I want to create it with the auxiliary material. Okay, level 1, I'll say this is the auxiliary material. Let us consider. Okay, some auxiliary material I want to wrap it over the product. Okay, you might be packing the bottles only, or else you may be packing the glass items. Initially, I want to just wrap it over the with the auxiliary material. Then I will going to take it to the further level. Okay, so like that I want to go. Okay, so here first I will going to take the auxiliary material, means I don't want to create the what is that, HU for this. Okay, HU for this. And here I am saying, okay, external step and all it is available, but step will going to create it later. Deletion not allowed is there. No, if you are click here, okay, whatever the levels which is going to come over there, you cannot able to delete these levels because they are fixed. Okay, this is the fixed technology how we will be creating level 1 and level 2. If it is there, then this is how it should happen. Like that we can able to say this. A rounding relevant means rounding up or rounding down. We're going to give some 5 or 10 values. Okay, if you are putting 4 materials, then rounding up it will going to take automatically. It will going to consider the 5 materials like that. Okay, but rounding relevant will not going to give anything. Okay, and kitting. Okay, so as I said, some kit to order like that we're going to create. No, that kit means we're going to. Okay, I'll just show you one kit. Okay. Later on, we're going to see all this kitting and all. Okay. What is that? Cricket kit, you can say, or else tools kit, you can say. Okay, this is one kit actually. Okay, so if you are creating this, what is that kit now? You should have all these components within this. Like that, we're going to define the components. See, toolkit. Okay, this is how we're going to prepare the toolkits. Okay, so we'll see them in the later stage, but as of now we are defining the packaging specification. We'll just concentrate on that. Okay, and icon, we have to give some icon here. Okay, so it is just okay for some specification they have maintained this icon. So we will going to choose some icon from the list and we're going to maintain any icon you can able to choose. Okay, just choose some any icon. Okay, whatever the icon if you are liking. No, I'll just choose this one and we're going to proceed further. Okay, so it will going to give some numbers here. Okay, see some numbers it is coming here. Okay, just save this. One level I have created as of now. Okay, one level I have created. So I want to create the second level also, means I am wrapping it with the auxiliary material. Next, I want to use the palette as well as the carton box with the same level. Okay, that one I can able to do. Okay, level 2, what I'm doing, double 1, L2 I'll take. This is double 1 double 0, level 2. Okay, this is some main material, okay, like main packaging. Okay, so that one I'll going to take. Let us consider the palette and whatever the what is that carton box is there. I am just considering it over here only, level 2 only. Okay, these things are same, but here I want to create the HU. Okay, because HU creation will be going to happen here. Okay, HU creation will going to happen here because once I'm going to put that auxiliary materials. Okay, packed material with the auxiliary material. Once I'm going to put it in the what is the carton box or else on the in the palette, it will going to create the HU over here. Okay, so deletion means if you are not saying create HU, it will not going to happen. Okay, then you have to give manually and you have to move. Okay, but I want to giving it here. Okay, and deletion not allowed. I'm just clicking on this also, and here take some icon, whatever the icon you want. Okay, just create it. Okay, and if you want to take some different icon, I'll just take that. Okay, it will not going to cause much difference here. Okay, anything you can take. Okay, just save this. What I have done, I have created the level here. Okay, now I want to create the level set. Okay, just go back. So directly, okay, without creating the element, I want to create the level set. Just go here. Okay, so I want to create some level set. I'll say double 1 double 0 level set. Okay, this is the description I am giving. This is double 1 double 0 level set. I'm going to give, click enter, select this. Okay, go to the assign level types. Okay, go to the assign level types. Just click on this. Here we have created two levels now. So I will just assign them. Okay, double one, L1 is one level, double one, L2 is another level. I'll just create this and sequence you have to give. This is one and this is second sequence I'm going to give over here. Okay. So means first I'm just wrapping with the auxiliary material, then I'm going to put them into the carton box like that I'm telling, and just save this. Okay. And now I want to assign this level set to the packaging specification group. Okay. If I go back, okay, here define packaging specification group is there, no? Ours is 1100. Okay, here level set is remaining. Okay, I'm going to give 1100 level set. Okay, just save this. And here activation, one more thing is there. You have to, it should be activated. Okay, if you are removing this, then it will not be an activated one. Okay, so just I saved it. I'll go back to the first page and try to open my packaging specification group. Okay, just observe here. I'll say new, and I will going to open the last one. Okay, 1100. Click enter. Okay, some 1 to 1 it is coming. Okay, select this and go to the edit, or else go to the details. Both things are same only. Okay, display also it will going to do the same work, and edit also do the same work. Yes.
So this packaging specification number ranges, earlier it got created 120. We have just created and we have not saved. So next number it will pick automatically,
correct,
right?
Correct. Okay, and you can
even
say,
if you are not
yes.
saving. Yeah.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, even if you are not saving, that is taking next series 3.
Yes, because that number will be invalid. Okay, once you're going to create that, no, that number will going to get invalid. Okay, so it will take automatically the next number only. It will not going to consider the previous number. It is the some peculiar thing in the packaging specification. Okay, if you want to create external number, okay, then you can put that number and you can able to proceed further. But if you want to create the automatic numbers, then it will not going to be invalid for you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Here you can see two levels we have created. See, the symbols are coming here. You can see this, right? The symbols are coming here. They are whatever the symbols we have chosen, they are the one, okay, which are showing it over here. Level 1 is there. Okay. See, observe here. Level 1, HU creation is there. No, it is not available. Tick is not available. If you are going to the level 2, okay, we have given HU creation automatically, right? So the tick is coming automatically here. Okay. Whenever I am going to put the materials within this, what is that? Level, no, it should create the HU like that. I am defining it here. Okay. So here again, I need to create the element group and I need to maintain the things. Okay. So if I am saying create, okay, it is going to generate some element group with this number, and I need to maintain the element group and all these things should be maintained. Okay. But no, I don't want to maintain again these elements and all manually. I want to create it automatically if you are asking. Okay. That also possible. Okay. I'll just go back. I don't want to save this again. Okay. So here packaging specification not found, like that it is saying. Okay. If you are saying, then only it is going to find, or else it is not going to found. Okay. So it is possible to put the element also now. Okay. Where we will going to do this? Just go back. See, I am going to define my elements here. Okay. Here I am going to say double one P1 is the first element, okay, which I want to define, and not relevant for HU is there. Okay, this is the first element, right? I'm going to take it as, okay, double one. This is the some auxiliary material. It is related to auxiliary material. Double I1. Okay. So here I need to give the description. Okay. Once I'm going to click the tab, then only it is coming. This is I'll say 1100 element type 1. Okay. Element type 01, okay, which is related to some auxiliary material, okay. And here just choose the auxiliary material and again choose the icon here, okay, some icon. This is deletion not allowed. If you want to maintain deletion not allowed, you can do it or else leave it blank, okay. You can delete it or else you cannot delete like that, okay. Here you just choose some number, okay, then proceed like that. Any number you can choose, okay. So this is just will going to give some what is that icon behind that, okay. So I'll just choose this number and proceed further, okay. Just say I'll going to create one more 11 E2. I'm going to create. This is 1100 element 2 element type 2. This is for the main. Okay, for main I have created one, and for auxiliary I have created one. This is the main packaging material. Okay, and again some icon I have to choose. Okay,
Is this icon mandatory?
yes, this icon is mandatory because that icon will going to come behind the whatever the levels or the elements you're going to create. No, behind them it will going to come. Okay, you have seen, no, just now you have seen, right? So like that.
Yeah.
Okay, choose anything. Okay, it is not mandatory to choose the only this thing like that. Nothing is there. Okay, just save this. I have created two elements here. Okay, so go back, come to the define level set. Okay, just execute this. Here, this is our level set. Go to the assign elements. Okay, here we have the levels. Okay, and under this levels, I want to assign the element. Okay, under level 1, I want to assign level 1 here. Sorry, double one, E1 I want to assign. Okay, this, sequence 1 I'm going to give it. Just save it. Okay.
So here also we can include multiple sequence.
Yeah, multiple
one
elements you can
particular
able to use it here. Yes. Here I'm going to assign some double one E2. This is also sequence 1. Okay, just save it. Understood until this? Any doubts here for you people?
No, sir.
Okay. So whenever we are creating the level set, no, level set is nothing but one. It is having the package of the levels as well as the elements, like that we can say, right? So here, whatever the levels you want to maintain, like first level, second level, third level, you can maintain n number of levels. That is possible. So what I am doing, what I have done, okay, I have created 2 levels, and under that I have created 2 elements. But for level 1, I have assigned the element 1, and level 2 I have assigned the element 2. Element means level 2 is nothing but it is the main packaging material, so that I want to create the HU for that. Okay, and I have ticked the HU creation over there. Okay, so now I want to restrict the materials to be assigned in the element group and all. If you want to think, okay, we can do that also. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just go back. Okay, so here we have maintained structure for packaging specification is there. No, here only we'll be having the work step also. Okay, here we are creating the work step type. Okay, just see, it is a work step type. Okay, I'm just want to create, it is not the work step number. Okay, so understand this, so don't confuse also. Okay, I'll going to create double one W1. It is a work step 1 for me. Okay, what I'll say, 1100 work step 01 for me. Okay, this is for the auxiliary material. Okay, some auxiliary material. 11 W2. Okay, work step type I'm creating 1100. Step type only I'll write. Or else it will be confusing. Okay, work step type 02. Okay, this is for the main packaging. I'm just creating it over here. Okay, just click enter, save it. As of now, it is not useful for us. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to tell about this particular thing. Okay, just create and keep it ready with you, like that I'm just saying. Okay, so next thing, here assign packaging materials to the element group. One more thing is there. Okay, so I want to assign this packaging material to the element groups. Packaging materials we have created, right? So that one I want to assign it to the element groups, whatever we have just now generated. Okay, I'll just execute this. Okay, what are the different packaging materials what we have? Okay, like we have the double one AX as the auxiliary material. For this auxiliary material, I want to assign it to the sorry, 1 minute. This is element group, right? Sorry, this is E1. Okay, double one E1. I want to assign it to the double one AX. Is this the one, right? Okay, we'll just see. Double one AX. Yes, it is available. See here. Okay, it is coming auxiliary. Okay, this element I want to assign to this, and element to double one E2 I want to assign it to both the what is that carton box as well as the palette. Okay, so double one E2 I'll be assigning, means because I have taken it as a main element, like that I have taken. Okay, so double one PL also I'm going to assign it here. For main only I have created one element. For auxiliary double one PL I have created some different elements. Okay, so like that you can able to view this. Okay, just save this one. I have assigned these things. Go back. Then assign work step to the packaging material type is there. Okay, assign work step to the packaging material type. Okay, this one we have to execute. Okay, say new entries. We have the packaging material, that is double one AX. Auxiliary material, whatever the auxiliary material you take, that has to follow W1. Okay, this is the work step 1 for that. Okay, and whatever the auxiliary, sorry, main material you take, okay, carton box or the palette, I am using some different work step, that is W2 I am using. Okay, like that I have taken here. Okay, so the same thing I am explaining it to at this particular end. Okay, I have created this, all this part. Okay, any doubts until this?
No.
Okay, now I will go back to this and I'll say packaging specification.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Yeah, please ask. Yeah, ask me.
Element type.
Okay. What about the element type?
What? Yeah, just do some.
Okay, insights about the element type. Okay, what is this element type, like that you are asking, right? So element type, okay, I will going to show it here only. Okay, so here it will be, you can able to clear your doubt. Okay, as I said here in the diagram. Okay, here in the diagram, element is nothing but, okay, it is a packaging material with a work step. Okay, we are defining the packaging material. Okay, one packaging material will be there. Along with that, you are using some work step, that is nothing but the element. Okay, both these things, it is includes the entire thing is a element. Okay, we are using some packaging material. How we are using it? Okay, whether we are using it through the hand, means both are hand only, but here we are folding it. But here we are just what we can say. Okay, see this step. Okay, we are just wrapping it here. Okay, wrapping it here. The same thing we cannot able to use it at the, we cannot wrap the carton box. Okay, means this should be folded here. Okay, what I'm telling, this carton box cannot be wrapped. Okay, this can be folded like this, but this one cannot be folded. Okay, we can able to wrap like this. Okay, above this we can able to wrap them. Okay, we cannot fold them. Correct? No? Understanding the concept here, I think confusion is, but understand. See, these things will going to come. Okay, so how we'll going to do this activity? Okay, so that is where we're going to come across the element. Okay, so next thing. Okay, here I came. I'll just go to the packaging specification. Just choose this. Click enter. One minute. Sometimes it will just stuck. Here I'm going to explain the element. Wait. Here also we can see that. It is gone or not. Details part.
So here we are not maintaining any material number assignments, Sri. We are
Material
going to assign
number.
now, right?
Material number. Which material number you are talking to?
No, for this material type, now mat 1 is there, right?
Okay. No, we have to maintain that. Okay. Here only we have to maintain in the packaging specification.
Oh,
Okay, that is what I want to show, but it got stuck. Okay, 1 minute, I'll just open it again. Okay, so again here I'll go logistics. It become little slow, I think. Okay, SCM EWM. Extended warehouse management. Here, master data. It become completely slow. I don't know why. Okay, I'll just check it later on. Packaging specification. Under that, maintain packaging specification. Okay, go to the new. You can choose your packaging specification group here. Click enter. Okay, just choose this, go to the details. Now you can see everything, levels, elements, everything will be maintained over there because we have assigned them, right? See, now you can see all the things here. Got it? Now how we will going to do this thing?
so
Okay.
it's automatically getting picked.
Yeah, it is automatically getting picked over here. Okay. So content, you just click on the content here, go over here, add the product. Now I want to add the product. Okay, I'll just maintain it for product 1. Let us consider 1100 mat 1. Here I am giving. See, here I am giving. Okay. If you are just clicking enter, as I said,
Okay.
here it will be taking a quantity 1 only. No, I want to put some 10 quantity. Okay, in the level 1. See here, just like this. Okay, I want to put some 12 quantity here. Okay, level 1. You can able to put means all this 12 quantity has to be fit into the carton. That also you can do, or else. Okay, sometimes what it will going to happen? What it will going to happen? I'll just show you. I'll draw. Okay, some glass items will be there. Okay, let us consider. This is some wine glass. Okay, so what you will going to do? You will going to put the bubble wrap over this. Okay, we're going to pack it with the bubble wrap. Okay, and we're going to take the carton box. Okay, we're going to take the carton box, and what we'll do? We're going to keep such glasses. Some 10 glass. Let us consider 10 glass. I'm going to keep it like this. Okay, that is possible, right? I'll going to wrap the glass with a bubble. Okay, bubble wrap means what I'm doing in one auxiliary material. I am going to give only one glass like that. I'm doing it here. Okay, one auxiliary material is there. That bubble wrap I am just keeping it over one material. That's it. Okay, then such a glasses I'm going to keep some 10 glasses. I'm going to keep it in this carton box like that. I'm defining it here. Anything is possible. Okay, it is about the how you are preparing the what is that your packaging. Okay, it will going to depends upon that. Okay, now I'm going to keep one minute. Yes, anything? Okay, one I have kept here. Okay, one material. Yes.
Nothing.
Okay. Next, I'll go to the level 1. Okay, level 1 is nothing but the auxiliary material for me. Okay, yeah, just a minute. Here, what is my target? See, minimum quantity I'll going to put 1. Maximum also I'll going to put 1. As I said now. Okay, as I said now. One material only I'll going to keep that wine glass is there. No, I'm going to put the bubble wrap over this, and only one material should be there when I'm wrapping it. Okay, like that I'm going to define it over here. And next, packaging material, it is asking no, just go to the element here. The same thing, okay? Element means the same thing. We are coming at the downside only. Okay, see, it came to the downside, but it will going to give in the some form view like this. Okay, so here packaging material I want to do. Okay, what should be the like you want to maintain some packaging material here, you just have to maintain this. Okay, once I'm going to click on the element, no, this is asking for all these things. Okay, here what I'll do, what is my packaging material here? 1100. AX is the AX is the packaging material, right? Okay, it is the one. Okay, quantity 0.5 not allowed, it is saying. I'm not putting any 0.5 quantity, means half of the quantity and all. We are keeping one quantity only, so it is taken automatically. Okay, so if you want to put some work step over here, you can put it, but I don't want to maintain anything as of now. Okay, as of now, I don't want to maintain anything. About this work step, we're going to create externally and we're going to assign it. Okay, later on, I'm going to tell about this. Okay, if you are not keeping also, nothing will going to happen. It will going to create. Okay, whatever the packaging will be there, it will going to generate. But for this, whether HU is creating for you, any HU is required for here?
No, it is not required.
Yes.
No, only for main material we can include.
Correct. Okay, for main material we are including, but for this HU is not required for us. You are right. Okay, so that is why I don't want to take any. Okay, and HU relevance.
So for
yes.
main material, HU is mandatory, Sri?
Yes, yes, HU is mandatory. No, H means handling unit is generating over there. Correct, no? Definitely it is required.
Right, for main material.
Yes.
Okay.
And HU relevance, it is just a packaging material. It is taken automatically, auxiliary packaging material. Okay, just leave it like this only because we have given it there. That is why it is taking. Okay. Next, I'll go to the level 2 here. Okay, level 2, go to the level 2 here. Wait. Now, I want to put such glasses 10 quantity. Minimum quantity is 1. I want to put 10 quantities. Okay, like that I'm saying. Getting the idea? Within the box, whatever the wine glasses I have wrapped with a bubble wrap, I want to put such glasses 10 materials in one particular carton box. I am saying it here. Got the idea, no? What I am defining?
Yeah.
Okay. So here I'm going to put this and I'll go to the element 2 here. Okay. Element 2 here. And you can see this HU creation is picked. Okay. For the main material. Okay. I just clicked on this. Wait. It is not coming.
No, I think we have to provide packaging.
Yeah, I have to give this.
Right?
Yeah, I have to give this, but it will come automatically. Means that form it is going to show. If it is not coming, also you can able to put it here. Not an issue at all. Okay, just provide your what is that packaging material. Okay, I'll just take sorry 1100 CB carton box. I'm going to take. Just click enter. This is also possible, but packaging material CB not found. It is there now. Okay, see, carton is there. Sorry, CB is not there. CB only it is there. Anyway, okay, carton I'll going to take. Okay, just click enter. So I have created the carton here. Okay, so just click enter. Now, what I have done, I have just created the product for this product, for the product one. Okay, for the product one, I have created the levels as well as the elements. Okay, so two levels I have created and two elements I have created, and I have assigned them. Okay, now this is the header. Okay, so you can just see this tree. This is similar to header is there. After that, content is there, then the levels are coming. See here, header is there, content is there, then the levels are coming. Same, similar. Okay. So now I want to put the header. Header is really important. This is the condition record what I am maintaining here. Condition technique, or else you can say, what is this condition type? Okay. So here there are so many different condition types are available. Okay. What I am doing is, this is for inbound delivery. Okay. What I want to do. Okay. This is for the IBD. Condition technique is 0 IBD. You have to select this one only. Okay. For 0 IBD, we are creating the condition. Okay. It will going to ask certain things here. Okay. See. Again, in the 0 IBD, this is the standard one. Okay. These things are the standard ones. Okay. What are the tables and all? If you are seeing, this thing is the standard one. Again, select the inbound delivery here. Okay. All these things it is asking. See. What is this supply chain unit? What is our supply chain unit? Where we can get it? Supply chain unit. Any idea?
Vendor master.
Vendor master, you can get the supply chain unit? No.
BP.
Menu.
Huh?
Go to that menu and this
Menu.
SCWM
That one also we can do.
SCU.
But here, see, assign elements. Okay. Assign warehouse number. No, you will going to get the supply chain unit. That is where you will going to get. Okay. It is important. See, master data. If you go to the assign warehouse number, you are going to get the supply chain unit here. Okay. Correct, no? This one you should.
Yeah.
Okay, please remember these parts and all. Okay. I'm going to assign the supply chain unit. Okay. You are making it big, it will going to show. Okay. And next, it is asking about the product. What is my product? 1100. Mat 1 is the product. Okay. Then from. Okay. This is ship from, means vendor I want to take. Okay. Yes. Yes. Any doubt?
This condition and condition record exist means CCTC is the same, or?
Yes, CCTC is the same. Yes, condition type is the same only. Okay.
That is showing only condition type. Okay. This is usually in wave creation, wave templates. Or
that is some different. Okay, for wave creation and all, we're going to use some different. We're going to see that. Okay, whenever we are coming for the wave. But from it is asking, no, I want to.
Next part.
Next part. It is little late. Okay, these conditions will going to create for many things. In the PPF also, we're going to create the conditions. So many where we're going to create this, but we're going to see them whenever they are coming up. Okay, so here I want to give the ship from. Okay, ship from. I don't know the vendor. Okay, what we will do? I will just /n/scwm/ PRDI. I'll go. Here we have created, no, we know the vendor, it is available here. Or else if you are opening the PO also, you can able to find the vendor. Okay, that is also possible. Here, okay, this is the one. Just execute this. We have created so many inbound deliveries. Okay. So just double click on this. Okay. And you just select this and go to the partner. See, here it will going to say the vendor. Okay, here it will going to say the supplier or the vendor like that. But if you are just selecting the line item at the header level and go to the partner, means here it will going to show the ship from party. Same thing, okay? Both are same thing only, but I'm just telling you, okay? The rule will be ship from, okay? So this is our partner, okay? Just copy this 713 and paste it here, 713. Just click enter. This condition record, I am creating it over here. For the material one, okay, only for material
So
one
in
I have created.
contingent record, we are going to maintain vendor also over here.
Yes, yes. For the packaging specification, if the this vendor is sending us the product, this is how he is sending, like that we are defining it here. Okay, in the condition. First, he is taking the glass and he is wrapping with the bubble. Then he will going to keep it in the carton box. Then he will be sending it. Okay. If some other vendor is there, let us consider. He is what he is doing. He is having some other technique for the packaging. Okay, that one we need to maintain. Okay, got it. It depends upon the different companies, right?
No, yeah, Sri, I totally get it. But for this material, in supply chain unit, whatever vendor it is, vendor and partner it is assigned, only that we can assign over here, or we can include some other vendor also.
You can use any number of vendor, but for this material, how he is sending, that one you should specify here. That's it.
Okay, but we can we assign it to our SEU with multiple partner?
Yeah, it is possible, no, because so many vendors will be there for this material. Correct, no? N number of vendors will be there.
What? Yeah. What I meant is, see, we have created supply chain unit.
Correct.
In supply chain unit, for one warehouse number, one supply chain unit is there.
Correct.
And in one supply chain unit, we have already mentioned one business partner.
Huh? No. So you are wrong. Okay. See.
PED.
That is PED. That's what. I am not concerning about the PED here. It is not the PED, right? This is a vendor, I'm telling. Vendor is completely different and PED is completely different, right? Understanding? Okay.
No, we have selected that option, right?
Which option you have selected? No, this is the partner. Like, however, the suppliers. Yes. Bro, you will be having the suppliers. No, like that. There are so many suppliers for this material. Okay. So you can use any number, any supplier over here, but the packaging specification should be maintained for them. Like that, I'm telling. Understood?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. So just select this and you need to activate this. Okay. So when I'm going to do this now, I want to activate this. Just activate this thing. For the mat one, I have activated it. Okay. So it will, if any errors are there, it will going to show. If nothing is there, it will going to activate. Okay. Here yellow is there now, it will become green. It is taking too much of time. Okay. See, now it is object is saved. Okay. Now it is activated completely. Okay. So whatever the things we have created, it is perfect and it is activated. And now what we will do, we'll just do one test.
So once we have one blank, right?
Pardon?
What is that going
to please come again.
No. Can you open that screen?
Yes, 1 minute. Yes. This logon conditions and all.
Next to sequence.
It is okay, yeah. Logon
yes.
I'll leave it blank. Okay. So here I'll just take some purchase order. Okay. So anything, okay, any purchase order you take. This is copy, paste. I'm going to say pack, spec. Okay, so these two I don't want. I'll just delete them. And here I want to take one material I will be considering. Okay, just save it. I have not packed it to any of the things I have not packed, right? I have not packed it, but I want to see whether the HU is creating automatically or not for this. Okay, this is a mat one. That is why copy. I want to see HU for this. Execute. I have not packed it, but select this. go to the HU tab. Okay, it is not generated. 1 minute. If we are not getting also, we'll see it tomorrow only, because I have to go somewhere. Okay. So I'll just tell, okay, today also I'm not going to touch this. Tomorrow only we'll come back and we're going to see what is the error and all. Okay. It should generate the HU. Okay, we'll see it, not an issue. It is also delaying a lot. Okay. Yes.
Tomorrow is Sunday.
Oh, day after tomorrow we have to check. Yes. Yeah, day after tomorrow only we'll check, but just practice this thing until this. Okay. Wherever I have left, I'll take it from there. Okay. So until this, any doubts? We'll see this. Okay, why it is not creating and all. We're going to check it. Okay, it is not an issue. I'll check it and I'll come back with this.
You are taking class?
Mm.
Tomorrow you are taking class?
No, if all of you are ready, I am ready.